Hello everyone, I'm here at Philadelphia Gear's Newcastle, Delaware facility, and we're here spin testing a new generator gear drive. This design has been created as a spare gearbox for a hydroelectric plant that's generating up to 8,200 kilowatts. The hydro plant opened in the 1980s and is still running a pair of original Philadelphia Gear generator drives that have been serviced for over 30 years and are still going. The spare will provide the customer with more redundancy in case of emergency. The new gearbox is designed with the same rugged 30-year life and provides upstream support to the turbine runner shaft and absorbs all the thrust load from the turbine operation. It is also built with a unique feature that positions the generator rotor within its magnetic centers. The supporting lubrication system is configured to provide continuous remote monitoring of all operational conditions and run in an unattended powerhouse via a SCADA system. The system also supplies oil to the turbine runner and generator bearings and includes a feature that has the ability to deliver high pressure lift to float the turbine shaft and runner prior to startup. The unit operates with 99% efficiency and can run safely and continuously in a runaway condition in the event the system is tripped offline. An integrated direct-driven lube oil pump with an auxiliary motor-driven backup pump supports all possible modes of operation, including the ability to supply lubrication whenever the turbine shaft is turning. Our engineers also designed the gearbox with an automatic filter switchover system that can automatically change over from a dirty clogged filter to a new one on the fly while in operation. If you want to learn more about Philadelphia Gear and our services, visit philagear.com.